Hey there, fellow adventurers of the digital frontier. Prepare to immerse yourselves in the exhilarating realm of Web 3.0 as we present to you our captivating video, Mastering Web 3.0, your definitive guide to profiting in the new digital age. Tighten your virtual seatbelts because we're about to embark on a journey filled with priceless insights, expert knowledge, and a touch of humor to keep you engaged. Before we embark on this transformative expedition into the world of Web 3.0, please be aware that while this instructional video is a treasure trove of ingenious strategies, innovative tips, and practical tools, it is not intended as financial or professional advice. So let's gear up to unlock the boundless potential of Web 3.0 and uncover 6 actionable ways that can pave the way for your success in this exciting new era. Profiting in the Web 3.0 frontier. Let's explore the interesting world of making money with Web 3.0 apps as the next step after Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. Web 3.0 is at the cutting edge of the internet's development. Its decentralized, blockchain-based basis makes it stand out. It gives people a new way to move around the vast World Wide Web. In this part, we'll talk about how Web 3.0 can help you make money and give you tips on taking advantage of this new environment. But don't worry, heroic explorers of the Web 3.0 frontier. We're here to arm you with the wisdom and tactics to navigate the digital currency age confidently. If you're eager to embark on this enlightening journey, don't hesitate to show your enthusiasm by smashing that like button below. And let's dive right in. Number 6, leveraging decentralized credit. Utilize the power of decentralized credit to change the way people give, borrow, and transfer money, slowly lessening the need for traditional big banks. By joining or starting a loan pool, you have a full control over the lending terms and even the interest rates, giving you a new way to make a lot of money on your own terms. Even though banks will still be around, the arrival of Web 3.0 will likely change how money is handled, giving you a chance to thrive in this changing scenario. Accepting decentralized credit not only gives you a chance to build wealth through credit pools, but also shows that you are a part of a major shift that will change how money is transferred from one person to another. Imagine becoming your own personal bank and helping others fund their wildest dreams. Number 5, generating passive income through NFT ownership. Exploring the world of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, opens the door to easy money that can be made quickly and doesn't strain your finances. This method is inherently safe because NFTs are based on the idea of sharing. NFTs are a good way for people who want to make money from owning digital art. You can make or buy digital art and then sell it to make money without intermediaries getting in the way. The beauty of NFTs is that they can be used for more than just art. They can be used in games, the metaverse, music, fashion, and more, all of which you control. It's as if your NFT art is a genie in a bottle, granting your wishes while you relax on the shores of cyberspace. Hey, let's take a quick second to appreciate your awesome interest in learning about making money with Web 3.0. If you enjoyed discovering these cool money-making ideas in the world of Web 3.0, go ahead and give that like button a little click. And if you want to keep the good stuff coming, think about hitting that subscribe button too. Your support means a ton to us as we work hard to bring you more awesome content and keep this exciting journey going strong. Number 4, crafting personalized currency. Designing your customized tokens holds many possibilities that extend beyond a singular purpose. Within Web 3.0, fashioning your personalized token can translate into substantial earnings. These tokens can be meticulously created and minted and distributed, affording you direct control over their valuation. The avenue to achieve this is through initial coin offerings or ICOs, a crowdfunding approach where startups offer their tokens to secure funds. Distinct from traditional shares, these digital tokens are the cornerstone of ICOs facilitating investment. Furthermore, These tokens can be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges or seamlessly employed to procure products and services from the company. Crafting your currency bolsters a favorite enterprise or project and positions you to reap profits if the currency gains traction, all while transcending the conventional notion of passive investment. It's like you're creating your own personal money machine. Number 3, monetizing your data. In a world where business traditionally holds the reins on data, leveraging it for their gains, Web 3.0 flips the script to empower you with the same opportunity. Selling your data becomes a potential source of income in this decentralized landscape. By sharing your data with a global network, you can buy and sell transactions like never before. Moreover, Web 3.0 opens doors to sell your data to major players like Facebook, ensuring you receive a fair value for your information. The choice now rests on how you wish to capitalize on your data's worth, putting you in control of a profitable asset in this new era. In the vast landscape of data oceans, Web 3.0 turns you into the captain of your digital ship. Sail through fair trade winds, hoisting your personal flag of sovereignty, and trade your data like a savvy merchant on the bustling shores of opportunity. No need to worry, we've got you covered with great tools and helpful tips to make this easier. If you want to see more videos and ways to keep track of your crypto experiences, feel free to share your ideas in the comments and hit that like button. Number 2, earning money while gaming on Web 3. Although both Web 3 and Web 3.0 are similar names, they are different in nature, but have a common purpose to create a better version of the internet by maintaining users' control over their data. Also, it's still a good way to earn some money. So here we go. Play to earn is a new way to increase your income that will keep you interested. This interesting way to make money is to play games which are fun and profitable. Axie Infinity is a great example of a Web 3 play to earn game. It immerses players in virtual characters and pays them with unique tokens. The Ethereum blockchain is powering these games, which are gaining popularity quickly. Keep an eye on this new trend and prepare to join the ranks of enthusiastic gamers who have become earners. As the number of people playing play to earn Web3 games increases, so does your chance of making money. Making money while playing games sounds like the move to me. Number 1, profiting from airdrops. An airdrop is when a blockchain project gives away free tokens to the community to raise awareness and support their projects. In Web 3.0, there are lots of new projects that want to bring in new users and contributors. In the early stages of these Web 3.0 projects, they often give airdrops to these types of users, and this is a great chance for people just starting in this innovative world. Not only do these airdrops give you free tokens, but they can also make you money when the project grows in popularity. The more popular the project becomes, the more money the free token will be worth. Imagine Web 3.0 as a bustling bazaar of digital treasures where new projects gleefully throw tokens like confetti, inviting you to join their cosmic crusade. Man, what an awesome journey, my fellow Web 3.0 money adventurers. We've gone from the basics to some cool tricks. Just remember, putting these ideas to work can help you make more money in the Web 3.0 world and come out on top when it's time to count your earnings. Before we conclude, there's one final request we'd like to make of our incredible audience. If you found this exploration into Web 3.0 enlightening and enjoyable, please click that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Also, don't hesitate to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Share any fantastic ideas you've discovered for maximizing your Web 3.0 experience, along with your desires for future video content. Your unwavering support fuels our passion to deliver more valuable insights, keeping us on this remarkable journey together.